From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Amrita University, Puric and Lupizine Plus.
About our next debate and our next story, when I first heard about it, I thought it was a joke. But ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is so broke, so completely, totally broke, that now Imran Khan has decided to put his official residence up on the market to get some rent. And they have set up committees to decide how to hold fashion shows, dance parties, and other such events at anywhere between 5 to 6 lakh rupees for a 12-hour period. The Prime Minister's official residence in Pakistan is being put up on rent. And no, this is not a joke. Let's debate.
Pakistan is broke, and it couldn't get more embarrassing. Now, Imran Khan's official residence has been put up for rent.
एक तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस में मैंने आपको बताया मैं नहीं रहा। मिलिट्री सेक्रेटरी का बाहर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस के बाहर जगह है, उनका घर है, उसमें मैं रह रहा हूँ। 3 बेडरूम का वो घर है।
Pakistan's federal cabinet has decided to collect some money, but is now renting the Prime Minister's home to hold cultural, fashion and other events at the premises. But the country's desperate state of affairs is no secret. Remember the time when Imran Khan had to return to New York after their plane faced a glitch on loan from the Saudi Arabian government? Or the time when Malaysia held back a Pakistan International Airlines plane for non-payment of lease? Or the time a desperate Pakistan had to auction 8 buffaloes and 61 luxury cars?
ये जो गाड़ियां हैं, इंशाल्लाह इनकी हम अब ऑक्शन करेंगे। मैं बड़े बड़े बिजनेसमैन को दावत दूंगा कि वो आएं और ये जो हमारी बुलेट प्रूफ गाड़ियां हैं जो बाहर से मंगवाई हुई हैं महंगी महंगी, इन सब की हम ऑक्शन करवाएंगे।
Or the time Imran Khan had to take the bus and trains to commute in the US? Or the time Imran Khan turned the chauffeur for the Emir of Qatar, Sheikh bin Hamad Al Thani? Fact is, Pakistan is in doldrums. It is reeling in debt, smothered in loans and surviving on handouts. And yet Pakistan continues to infiltrate terror into Afghanistan. Today, 5 Pakistan Army commandos operating alongside terrorists in Afghanistan have been eliminated. So will the cash-strapped, terror-abetting nation wake up and smell the coffee? It's going to be game over very, very soon. Let's debate.
Actually, you know, Gaurav, we should not take this. It's a serious issue. And I think, Nupur, it is only fair that we first express our complete empathy, sympathy, you know, with these Pakistanis. Because at the end of the day, Abhijit, this is you know, you feel bad. We've always known Pakistan is broke. Right, Gaurav? But I never knew they were so broke. Abhijit, I never knew. And I can't believe it. They're doing marriage parties in the Prime Minister's house. Marriage parties, you know. Apparently, the going price is 5 to 6 lakh rupees for a 12-hour booking. Pakistani rupees, that also. 5 lakh Pakistani rupees, you can go and saunter around. Mona, Omar, I'm telling you, अब क्या पूछे इनको?
ये पूछे
No, Zulkarnain Shah is the senior leader of the Pakistan.
And Modi is hiding somewhere. 4 million Indians
I'm
have died
asking
of
you about-
COVID. Why don't you spend time?
I'll let Nupur respond to you. I'll let Nupur
Modi led
respond to you.
Indian
Nupur
dies.
respond. But tell me one thing.
So many Indians have died.
Tell me one thing. We're doing fine.
Your
We're
government
doing
is
fine.
busy hiding the
We're
actual
a
death
$5
count.
trillion economy. We are doing absolutely fine. We are on our way there. My question to Mona is,
Don't have
Mona,
enough healthcare facilities.
I just want to know
so many of
seriously.
the people have died.
can you tell us?
Modi
Can you
is
tell
oblivious
us?
to the plight of Indians.
Yeah, can you tell us?
Why is your prime minister oblivious
Yeah, and
to
we
the
gave you
plight of
all the vaccines that you ever
innocent,
got
poor
were from us. Were from us. We gave it to you for free. But my question is, Mona, and Mona is debating right now with Nupur. Mona, can you tell us that why was the Prime Minister's house put up for rent? Why is the reason that it has been put up for fashion shows and dance parties and things like that? What happened?
Well, Arnab, you did send us the vaccines under the COVAX facility. That's no big deal. I mean, it wasn't your formula in the first place, AstraZeneca. But nonetheless, you've also sent us the quote.
Why is the Prime Minister's house being put on rent? My question was, Mona. Mona, my question was, why is the Prime Minister's house put on rent? थोड़ा समझा दीजिए, explain to us.
Very good. मैं आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा proposal लाई हूँ. I have a brilliant proposal that I'd like to present to you. Look, I think it's not just for marriage ceremonies and fashion shows or other kind of display programs that the PM house has been put on rent. I think the Indian government can also, ask us for a few days to rent the Prime Minister's house. So
No, we are not giving you any money for that. She's asking for money. She's asking for money for the live TV program, that also on India's leading program. She's asking Nupur, she's saying that we should rent out the Prime Minister's house. कोई इज्जत ही बाकी नहीं है.
I am asking.
कोई इज्जत ही बाकी नहीं है कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के घर को आप अभी.
I'm not.
I can't believe it.
I'm not doing you a favor.
Mona, I can't believe what are you doing?
Why
are you doing this?
Believe me, I mean, I'm not.
You are asking us to rent your Prime Minister's house. कुछ कोई self-respect?
No, because your Prime Minister is funded by Tatas and Birlas and all those wealthy. I mean, those people. You can do it easily. So I think it's a good deal, and we can host the millions.
No, we are not giving you any money.
Who are sleeping on footpaths.
No, we are not giving you.
Who are sleeping on footpaths. You are not giving.
No,
me
we are
any
not giving
You're
you the
doing
money.
this for the millions.
We are not going to help you.
Who are sleeping on footpaths.
No, we are not going to rent the Prime Minister's house.
You are indirectly.
No, you can't do this on my program. You can't come on my program and say, give us money, rent my Prime Minister's house. I can't believe it. Gaurav, what's going on?
I don't.
Gaurav is laughing. No, but this is shocking.
I don't want to.
Gaurav, tell her to stop.
I don't want to.
She's asking us to rent their Prime Minister's house on my program.
Of course, I will pay for that because that will make me.
Please rent Imran Khan's house. इतना how is it possible?
क्या आफत है वहाँ पे?
क्या है?
आफत वाला situation.
Mona, you're asking Arnab to take the Prime Minister's house on rent. What is this? This is preposterous. I mean, listen, Mona, on a very serious note. सुनिए Mona, हमारा छोड़ दीजिए ना. हमारा छोड़ दीजिए. Mona, there were times in India when India did not have enough, and we have faced times. But at that time, even in those times when India suffered from famine, from disease, nobody put the Prime Minister's house on rent. I mean, this is preposterous, Mona. I've never heard, even in a basket case, third world country in the corner of the third world somewhere. Nobody does it, and here you are. A nuclear weapon state.
No,
a nuclear weapon state.
I also want to tell you that,
It's never too late to learn. You should learn. It's never too late. Your Prime Minister Modi.
Okay. I don't know how they're defending this.
I don't know how they're defending. Nupur wants to say something to you. Nupur Sharma is the national spokesperson of the BJP and an advocate in the Supreme Court. And she's going to debate with Zulkarnain Shah, senior leader of the PTI. Nupur, see, it's a worrying situation. Maybe you want to take it forward because a proposal is being made by a Pakistani panelist that we in India should rent their Prime Minister's house. It has actually been made. Nupur.
Well, possibly, Arnab, good evening to you all and to your viewers, but possibly what can be Miss Alam's criticism of, India as a gesture of goodwill helping them out with vaccines? Certainly, इनकी औकात तो है नहीं कुछ भी खरीदने की, यहाँ पे भी तो पैसे कमाने आते हैं आपके चैनल के ऊपर. So they should be thankful, ideally. And secondly, when, there is an open offer to you and all of us to, take on rent the Prime Minister's residence, which is going to be put up on rent for fashion shows, no less. I mean, maybe, it's a closed offer wherein Pakistan also decided to auction or rather sell off donkeys to make their money. Nobody can forget the headlines where in 2019, Pakistan was making money by selling donkeys. Only last year, that was very interesting. Only last year, there was a group of people found gambling in Pakistan and the cops booked a donkey which was parked nearby as well. So it's a donkey country belonging to donkey citizens. And interestingly, in 2000, Alami, in 2001
before he became the PM, he was a tea seller, so he can serve tea on those events.
Sir, allow me to complete. You can speak during your chance. Please allow me to complete. It is very interesting, Arnab, and I'm going to put my earphones in the front. It is very interesting, Arnab, that, in Indonesia, their High Commissioner in 2001-2 actually sold off the embassy premises at throwaway prices. This is a matter which was heard in the courts of law in Pakistan. इतना गरीब देश है कि इनके अपने देश का, which is actually under the jurisdiction of the Pakistani government. Even the High Commissioner is a cheat who sold off their embassy premises in Jakarta. ये तो इनकी औकात है. And here they are, issuing sermons and giving us lectures about how to manage. अरे टमाटर नहीं भेजे थे आपको, तो तौबा आप रोना शुरू हो गए. ये आप गधे बेच के अपने पैसे कमाते हो, आपकी चप्पल चोरी वाली औकात है. When are you going to actually wake up? And let's not forget,
Mr. Prime Minister is giving the same tea. You are talking about Pakistan. That's terrible.
You're Mr. Imran Khan.
Discussing your people.
Received for due protocol. Your Mr. Imran Khan was not even received for due protocol in the US. अरे यार कटोरा लेके ट्रेन में बैठ के गए थे. मैं सालम झूठ बोल रही हूँ. मैं ट्रेन में गए थे इमरान खान अमेरिका में. पैसे दे दो, चंदा दे दो, पैसे दे दो. आप भी देखो मेरे को now prove me wrong. Miss Alam, you're sitting here to make some money. आपको पता है आपके जूते लगेंगे, आप जूते खाने आती हो क्योंकि आपको पैसे मिलते हैं इंडियन चैनल पे बैठ के गाली खाने के. आप सच बताओ, ये तो आपकी रोजी रोटी है. आप में कोई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है. आपको आपको खरीद तो लिया, लेकिन फिर भी इंडियन चैनल ने आपका कीमती वक्त तो खरीद लिया इंडियन चैनल ने. क्या बात कर रही हो आप? मैं तो कभी पाकिस्तानी चैनल पे ना बैठूं आपकी मखलोली सुनने के लिए. आई एम सॉरी, यू कम हियर टू गेट ह्यूमिलिएटेड. Miss Alam, do you not have any self-respect? You come on an Indian channel, lose your self-respect to make दो वक्त की रोटी. I'm sure it will last you a lifetime, but still आपको शर्म नहीं आती है. रोज आ जाते हो रिपब्लिक पे. अर्नब की और मेरी की और आप आज अकेले नहीं आई हो. आपके साथ कार्टून.
No, one sec. See, Nopur, they're in a bad situation. My question to Zulkarnain Shah of the PTI is this. Mr. Shah, first of all, my question to you is on the issue of self-respect. So, Mr. Shah, you've done the following. You have put the Prime Minister's official residence on rent. Then you have also set up a committee to decide. In 2018, you set up a committee to decide on the market price of 8 buffaloes, जिनको हम हिंदी में भैंस कहते हैं. There was a committee set up by your government. It's true, Gaurav. You can check it. I'm not making it up, viewers. There were 108 cars and 8 buffaloes, Abhijit. 8 buffaloes. 8 भैंस बेचने के लिए आपने कमिटी बनाई थी. Right? तो Mr. Shah, how bad is the situation? And also we were told that 4 surplus helicopters which are lying are also being sold. Right? And you had to return a Pakistan International Airlines plane because you could not pay the lease for the plane.
So Arnab, see, there is.
Am I right?
Remember, these guys.
No. Let Mr. Abhijit. Let Mr. Zulkarnain Shah explain his situation first, and then we'll come to you. Yes, sir.
Mr. Arnab,
Tell
I'm
me.
watching your program a lot of time, and
Yes.
I think you're the shining anchor of the India and you're the voice of the India. But I don't think it is a so serious issue which you are wasting your time and your channel time and your Janta time. I think rather than me, your Janta knows better about the Imran Khan. And you can ask, not to me, ask to the Sanal Gavaskar, ask to Kapil Dev, ask to your Rediwala, your Rakshawala, and everybody from the India. He will tell you about the Imran Khan, his character, his integrity, his decision, and his sincerity. We are suffering the decision
Imran Khan's
Modi
character,
in the Pakistan.
Integrity.
Yeah.
I think
Ask your Janta. Please move your camera on your street and ask any Indian, common Indian about the Imran Khan and the Modi, and he will tell you what the difference between the Modi and the Imran Khan.
I'll ask you a question, Mr. Shah. Mr. Shah, a serious question. Thank you for your compliments. A serious question is that, you see, you have a debt, Abhijit will tell you, you have a debt of 45.470 trillion. ये आपके प्रधानमंत्री के घर को गिरवी रख के या उस पे शादियां करवा के इतने पैसे नहीं आने वाले आपके. Abhijit, why don't you tell him that? I mean, you have to be out of your mind. You are broke. You are broke, sir. Broke को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? You know, आप.
Sir, will you tell your audience that how much India has a debt? You are under fire.
Last month or the month.
Yeah, Nupur is saying something. Nupur, आप बोलिए.
Just a month.
Yeah, Abhijit is saying something. You want me? Abhijit Iyer Mitra before that.
Just a month before, they admitted that they had to borrow money in order to pay off their, forget their debts. They have to pay off the interest on the debts alone. They're in a position now that they have to borrow money. Nobody is lending them any money. Okay, if you go check out how the elite live, including Mr. Imran Khan and his bungalow in Banigala, it is all made up of plundering the Pakistani people. Essentially, if you read their own author, Aisha Siddiqa's book, you realize there's about 200,000 people in Pakistan that control everything and essentially live like parasites of everybody else in that country. They are so bad. Can you imagine, Arnab, for a minute, India begging some other country to come build infrastructure out here or connect the country up? Here, they are so dependent on China that they're actually giving off concessions the same way the East India Company was given concessions by the Mughals to build essentially sovereign zones of China within Pakistan. They then want the whole of Pakistan to be linked up by Chinese infrastructure, and they're getting further into a debt trap. You go talk to them in track twos, they say, see, you can't gauge it by the formal economy, the informal economy chalta rahega, all of that nonsense. The problem is it never works. They have formal debts to repay. No amount of informal chota mota dukandar is going to be able to pay off your formal debts.
That's what you are in a debt trap. That's the point. Omar is saying, Omar.
And they are getting even
Omar
more
and
into a
Gaurav.
debt trap.
No, Omar, you see, Omar, if you can make a serious point also occasionally. A serious question to you is, and you debate it seriously with Nupur. You see, Omar, I'll tell you something. And I'm telling you as your well-wisher. You are in a terrible debt trap. You have borrowed $14.2 billion, right? As foreign loans during the fiscal year 2021 with a 34% increase from the previous year.
And you are worried about Pakistan.
I tell you, even an unemployed man in India, can take your Prime Minister's house on rent. My question is, you are in a debt trap. You have borrowed $1.5 billion. You have borrowed, he is not capable of a serious debate. Nupur, let me try Mona. I'm saying, Mona, you have borrowed $1.5 billion to repay Saudi Arabia's $2 billion debt.
नहीं अपनी बीवियां संभाल ले पहले इमरान खान कंगलों की जात I'm sorry.
All right, we are going to debate with Mona now. Come on now, Mona.
You are not going to decide. You're not.
My question to Mona, and come back to the subject now, Mona. Mona and Nupur, my question is.
One second, Arnab.
My question is. My question is.
No.
My
One second. One second. A Pakistani who is nothing but a representative of a country of suicide bombers and terrorists cannot sit on an Indian television channel and name call our Prime Minister. I mean, कंगलों की जात है यहाँ. अपनी बीवियां संभालने इमरान खान बहुत होगा. घर तो संभला नहीं, उस पे नाच गाना करवाएंगे आप फैशन शो करके. Your debt, and I'm going to read out your report of the financial advisor to Mr. Imran Khan, Pakistan PM's advisor on finance, Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh's report dated June 2020. सुन लो अब. Your debt will rise to 88% of the GDP, whatever it is. पिछले साल की रिपोर्ट है, झूठ तो बोल रही होगी. Secondly, 88% of your GDP is your debt. आगे सुन लो, नहीं क्या? हाँ, तो give me the correct facts and figures. You spend 18.5% on defense expenditure. एक जंग जीत नहीं पाए, कुछ नहीं जीत सकते आप. उसके आगे 13% is your inflation rate, and you're talking economy. यार, come on, Miss Alam.
30%.
गधे बेचने की औकात है. 13 inflation rate. It's a report. I'm reading it. And perhaps you may want to correct me with the correct figures, but this is your advisor.
Achha.
Not the Indian government.
No.
Perhaps you need to throw some light as to why your economy is shrinking by almost 1%. No, what do you know? What do you know?
I know these
Okay, then
reports.
tell me. What is the correct figure? By heart.
आप बोलो ना.
By heart. What is your GDP?
You finish.
What is your
and
GDP?
Then I'll come in.
What is your per capita GDP?
None of
Please
your
tell me. What is your per capita
None of
GDP
your
according to
business.
this report? Please tell me. You know it by heart. Please tell me. I think we happen to know more about your
none of your
economy. What is
business.
your per capita
Are
GDP?
you-
Please tell me.
You look like.
No, you tell me. You know it by
You
heart.
look like that.
You know it by
very
heart.
strict school
No,
teacher.
what? No, what? No, what?
I will not.
No, what? You know it by
Because
heart. Then you
civilized
defend with
debate.
facts, right? You
Please-
can't sit on an Indian
Please,
television
no,
channel.
I'm
I'm
here
not going to
no,
allow
but
you to
can't
abuse my
question me
Prime
like this.
Minister.
You're not the moderator
No,
of the program.
भिखारियों की
You
जात
said
है
that
आपकी.
you
I'm sorry
wanted
to
to
say. I'm not going to
My-
allow it. Tit for tat.
If you don't
You
want
go
to
with a
get into
katora
civil debate,
asking for
then
beef
there's
from
Just a minute,
America.
just a minute, just a minute.
Like my quotas.
Spokesperson are you?
No, I'm sorry.
No, Mona, I'll tell you one more thing. Mona, Nupur is completely correct. And Mona, listen. Mona, Nupur a minute. Nupur 1 minute. Nupur 1 minute. Nupur. No, the sad. Okay, Nupur and Mona. Mona and Nupur. I want to make an intervention, and this is a serious intervention. You see, we both became independent, India and Pakistan, in August 1947. Okay? Now the situation is, and you will not like me to tell you this, but you lost your independence in 2021 completely. And I'll tell you, Mona, when you lost your independence.
Why?
Do you know today that entire 1 minute, listen to me. The British gave you 300 million pounds as aid to help you because you became bankrupt. Your people, your rulers,
Why would they help
they
us?
pocketed the money internally. No, let me complete, Mona. I'll tell you the truth. This is something that everybody in India also knows. You pocketed the money went into complete corruption of your top political and army brass. And the British Parliament, Nupur, told the Pakistan government that we are launching an investigation on the Pakistani government.
The dreams you saw last
1 minute. The Pakistani government is under official investigation by the British Parliament for embezzlement of 300 million pounds.
Have you?
You are no longer an independent country. No independent country in the world allows that. No independent country in the world can allow that. You have allowed it. You have allowed it.
I mean,
You have allowed the British Parliament to investigate your government. You are not an independent country anymore. Mona, I am telling you the facts. And now Tariq Fateh is on the debate.
You have no knowledge. You have no knowledge of the people, of the common
don't
people
know
who
your
are
per
dying.
capita GDP.
Mona, you
अपनी
don't have
country
the
के बारे में
knowledge.
पता नहीं.
Of oxygen.
And she doesn't know her own country's per capita GDP. What knowledge will she have? I can bet she didn't even know how many wives Imran Khan has. She doesn't know that they sell donkeys to survive. She perhaps only knows she's here to make money off you. I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. What is your per capita GDP? Please tell me.
No, Nupur, I'm also sorry.
If we have nahi kya. It's a simple question. Trivia. Trivia for you. You mean what? You mean me what? Just tell me what is your per capita GDP? I'm sorry. Since we don't know anything about Pakistan, educate us. Educate us.
You are like a broken
Educate us, madam. It's a simple question. No, you are hyperventilating. I have a simple question. Pakistan की per capita GDP क्या है? देखो इनको पता ही नहीं है. अर्नब अपने देश के बारे में नहीं पता. मेरी हिम्मत है. मैडम आपकी हिम्मत है तो बता दो. Per capita GDP क्या है पाकिस्तान की? मैडम, per capita GDP of Pakistan.
I am
hyperventilating. You don't have the knowledge.
I am asking you.
Per capita GDP of Pakistan.
No, it's serious.
अच्छा,
I think.
बताने की हिम्मत नहीं.
You are a coward person.
You don't have the guts to let us
Okay,
know
Tariq
that what
Fateh
your
is also
per
on.
capita GDP.
She doesn't know the per capita GDP of Pakistan because it is.
Of course she doesn't. Of course she doesn't.
She doesn't know, and it is not worth mentioning.
That is none of your business. That is none of your business.
That's none of my business.
It is our business.
Come on,
Germane
madam.
to the
It is our business.
Let's remember that. Or no, it is our business.
I want Tariq Fateh to come in. Tariq Fateh, how are you? How are you, Tariq Fateh? How are you? It's been a long time, Tariq. Tariq, it's been a long time. How are you doing, my friend?
And
I'm okay. Okay, thank you, Tariq. We're all okay, but we're really concerned about the Pakistanis tonight. And Zulkarnain Shah is with us on the program. He's the senior leader of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. And we are all very worried today because we got this breaking news that Pakistan has put the house of the Prime Minister on rent. And they have said that they are forming committees on how it will be let out at 5 lakh rupees every day, every 12 hours for fashion shows and dance events. And then the Pakistanis, they samajh nahi rahe that we are speaking for them out of concern.
Not just concern, sir. ये बीमारी अगर वहाँ होगी तो फैलेगी ना. ये बेचारे, that's the only concern. The Prime Minister came to power dancing on top of truck trailers and being known as Taliban Khan. He has better things to mind. Instead of the economy of Pakistan, he's running a war in Afghanistan. All these Taliban being injured are being treated in Quetta. ऐसे तो नहीं नाम मिल गया ना तालिबान खान. You have to work very hard for it. And in between you are marrying multiple wives. वो ठीक है. अब वो एक जिन वाली है, वो पीछे से पर्दे के बताती है क्या करना है. This is a country which is a comedy in errors, a comedy of errors. Where do you find a prime minister going to meet somebody else in his night suit? शलवार कमीज चप्पल पहन के चले जाते कहीं पे भी. It's a catastrophe. Nobody knows anything. They are killing their own Pashtuns. They are bombarding and massacring the Baloch. I've never in my life seen a procession. I have a procession.
He is a misogynist.
I know I'm a bigot. Thank you.
For women.
I am okay being a bigot. If my bigotry is against people like you.
You're a misogynist as well.
Hey, bhai,
and you don't have respect for women.
Hey, you are an Arab.
You are shameless to the
if you want to be an Arab, speak in Arabic. भाई कुछ और जाके करो अपने अब्बू और मामू को. Why do I have to? You are a
comes later. Behave like a human.
भाई, you are a dustbin.
Decency.
A dustbin.
Decency.
I'm talking about a dustbin.
And you are
garbage. I'm talking about a dustbin.
Absolute garbage.
You know what it is? कचरे का डिब्बा.
You are
कचरे का डिब्बा.
Absolute.
A country where rape is committed. Where women are killed.
Absolute filth on your show. This guy.
Yeah. चार बीवियां तो नहीं है मेरी.
No, but you know, Omar.
This guy reeks of filth.
Omar, you know but Tariq, you know, they are trying to move away from the subject. The subject is very serious, and I think we need to retain the seriousness of the situation. Omar, thank you for the comic relief. My question is, my question is that I'm looking. You are so broke. Your Prime Minister was forced to take a metro to reach the ambassador's residence in the United States. You couldn't have a car.
What's the problem with that? There's no harm in it.
He is not.
There's absolutely no harm in it.
His public with Tatas and Ambanis like Mr. Modi. He's not a corrupt like Mr. Modi, who's getting into
Adani,
affairs.
You know, Arnab, Nupur Sharma mentioned that the ambassador sold the, in Indonesia, the ambassador sold the building. They had a CEO.
Yeah.
That CEO, Arnab, that CEO, Pakistan International Airlines CEO, he stole an aircraft. The CEO of Pakistan International Airlines sold an aircraft. It was worth 23 or 25 crores. He took it to Germany where he sold it for 32 lakhs to a museum, Arnab.
Yeah.
This is the scam that is going on every day.
It's about the embarrassment of it.
इन्होंने पूरी बिल्डिंग चोरी कर ली, जहाज चोरी कर ली अपने खुद के. मतलब this is constant, Arnab. This is constant. Nupur Sharma mentioned the building. I'm telling you about a plane. Mona, please tell us if this story is true or not. Mona ji, please tell us if this story is true or not. Did your PIA CEO not steal a plane?
He never stole a plane.
She has admitted it.
मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ. ऐसे कैसे चोर हैं जो जहाज चोरी कर लेते हैं?
There would have been a NAB case on him. There would have been a NAB case on him. NAB is very active in our country, unlike yours. There is no check on corruption in your country.
Tariq Fateh is on. Okay, close it.
Plundering the state.
How can you sell an embassy building, ma'am? How can you sell an embassy building?
Arey Baba,
they'll sell the country if you have the right price. They sold Pakistan to China for a pittance. They sold Balochistan to China.
Jealous.
ये बेशरम लोग हैं.
Omar Altaf is back.
Oh, jealous?
Why are you? I'm talking.
आपने बलोचिस्तान लूटा.
I'm respectfully talking to you.
Oh no, you're not. You are incapable of respect. नहीं, बात सुनने की पहले बताइए जो रेप किया आपने बांग्लादेश में.
अगर आप जो ये पीछे किताबें पढ़ी है ना, ये पढ़ लेते तो आप इतने क्लूलेस ना होते. You are a clueless person, sir. You are.
भाई आपके यहाँ. Let me tell you something. Your country, if a book sells for 500 copies, it's a bestseller. Which is the last book you read? Nobody reads in that country. Your entire investment is gone into your second and third wives.
Showing off before your people, you are sitting in front of a library doesn't mean you are the reader of the century. Come on. This is all a hoax.
What is it? This is my office.
But you can't fool people like me because
you come with a begging bowl.
Your India.
No, point is, you see, how will you? No, you tell them today. I mean, point is, Nupur is back on the debate. Nupur, Mona, you're not taking it seriously, and I'm telling you the situation is going to go very bad because you're going around with a begging bowl across the whole world.
I'm not going around.
You're going with a begging bowl everywhere.
Arnab, allow me, please. Arnab,
you're going around with a begging bowl everywhere.
Arnab, madam here, who I would call Alice lost in Wonderland. No. Actually, she's a babe in the woods. You know, madam here said, I'm a coward. Well, madam, I'll tell you what isn't a coward. My Indian army, which whips your army repeatedly each time. Now, I'll tell you something. The Dawn reported earlier this year that Pakistan lost 4 spots
Madam, I don't think,
in the corruption perception index. अरे अपने बारे में, अपने देश के बारे में तो पता होना चाहिए यार. आप यहाँ आती हो, अपना बेवकूफ बनवाती हो. Arnab, don't pay her. Don't pay her the full fee for doing this. अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ के आए तो इनको आप दिया करो. No, whatever money you get to do this drama, this acting, I'm sorry, whatever money you get to come here and अपनी बेइज्जती कराने के लिए, अर्नब आज इनका भाड़ा काट देना please. I'm not kidding you. मैं डॉन की न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट पढ़ के बता रही हूँ आपकी corruption perception indices में पाकिस्तान fell down by 4 spots in January 2021. What are you? I can go on. At least tell me what your GDP is यार. अच्छा चलो छोड़ो per capita GDP. मैडम आप मुझे एक इंडेक्स बता दीजिए. What are you saying? चलो मैंने मान लिया I'm a coward. But then what is the Pakistani army then? Please tell me what is the Pakistani army? Certainly a coward in front of the Indian army.
Okay, I have a different question. I have a different question. I want to put it differently. I want to Nupur. I want to put it differently. Nupur, 1 minute. My last question, my last intervention tonight. Gaurav, I have a different question. आप जरा इनको पूछ लीजिए. जैसे we ask, आपने इनसे पैसा लिया, उनसे पैसा लिया, you took money from US, you took money from China, you took money from UK, UK has launched an investigation into how you took their money back, you took money from the United Arab Emirates, you took money from Malaysia, you've taken money from Indonesia, you've taken money, now only they have to go to some sub-Saharan African countries to take money from. My question today is very differently. इनको पूछिए who they have not taken money from. You ask this Omar Altaf today, who he has not taken money from.
Arnab, in plain and simple words,
सबसे पैसा लिया.
Arnab, ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको इन्होंने ठगा नहीं.
Can you translate? That's a good one. Can you translate?
ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको ठगा नहीं. ये सब जानते हैं. ये सब जानते हैं. इनको ट्रांसलेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. ये कानपुर
Zulkarnain Shah of the PTI wants to respond to you. One second. हाँ बोलिए.
Modi has killed.
अरे what about छोड़ दो यार. You are not Zulkarnain Shah. Get Zulkarnain Shah on the screen. Zulkarnain Shah साहब आप पूछिए क्या पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे.
Gaurav Arya, we took the money from China. We took the money from United States. We took the money from all over the world. But my simple question, Gaurav Arya.
What Arnab wants to know is who did you not take the money from?
Yeah.
No.
You even requested the poor Palestinians for ambulances. आपने सर किससे पैसा नहीं लिया ये बताइए.
My simple question to you जनता कि क्या हिंदुस्तानी रियासत ने आज तक सिर्फ टॉयलेट का मसला हल कर लिया या नहीं कर लिया 50 करोड़ लोगों का.
अरे सर टॉयलेट का मसला हमारा 14 अगस्त 1947 के बाद खड़ा हुआ था. उसके पहले अच्छे खासे टॉयलेट थे हमारे वेबसाइट में. उसके बाद
माय क्वेश्चन इज आप मुझे बताइए ना.
ये टॉयलेट की बात करते हैं.
इनको पूछना पड़ेगा. शाह जी, मिस्टर शाह, Mr. Shah, you tell me one thing. Mr. Shah, you tell Nupur today, you have gone with a begging bowl everywhere. Tell me one country who you have not taken money from. मुझे मत बताए, तारिक फतेह को बताइए. Who do you not owe money to? किस आपको उधार सबको है. किससे नहीं लिया है आपने बताइए.
Your actual problem is not a debt trap. It's a trap of the China and Pakistan.
आपके ब्यूरोक्रेट्स ने कुवैती डिप्लोमेट की जेब काट ली थी सर. अगर मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूं तो बोलिए.
तारिक फतेह सबसे पैसे लिए. He has admitted it.
So
he admitted it.
Mr. Gaurav Arya, you know how much Amit Shah get money from the Rafale deal? According to the CBI report.
अरे क्या बोलते हैं भाई?
अच्छा
मुझे
सर एक बात बता दीजिए.
इंडिया
आप कौन सा ऐसा मुल्क है जिससे कम से कम 2 बार पैसे नहीं लिए? बताइए.
Last word to Tarik.
What a question.
All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.